In this video, we'll be installing UniPrint Infinity in a print server test environment. Keep in mind that this is for a test environment only, and the location of UniPrint components will be different for a production environment. This will be pointed out during the video. Our test environment consists of 3 virtual machines. On the first VM, we'll be installing the UniPrint bridge and by default the license server and the PrintPal server. The bridge acts as a print job router and license manager and should therefore be installed on its own machine. The PrintPal server is used to automatically add printers to user sessions. We're also going to install the Secure Print server and data store, which manages the pull printing process. Now this is where the test environment differs from a production environment. We're also going to install on this VM the archive server, which stores print jobs captured by the archive client, and the statistics server, which hosts the database of print job information captured by the statistics client. However, for production environment, these components should be installed on separate servers, since the amount of data collected and archived can become quite large. On the second VM, we'll install the UniPrint print server, which enumerates printers installed on the print server to the UniPrint bridge. We call these enumerated printers gateway printers. We'll also install the Secure Print server components, which works with the Secure Print server to ensure print jobs are released to the appropriate printer, the archive client, which captures print jobs printed to gateway printers, and the statistics client, which captures print job statistics for gateway printers. On a Citrix or remote desktop server VM, we'll install the UniPrint application server. This component contains the UniPrint universal printer driver and is responsible for rendering print jobs into compressed PDF format. We'll also be installing the archive and statistics clients, which capture print jobs and their statistics for all jobs sent to the UniPrint printer, UniPrint email PDF, and UniPrint Save PDF print queues. If you're interested in testing our mobile solutions, you can also install the Email to Print server on the bridge. And for iOS OS X printing, you can install the iOS OS X printing module and the auxiliary server on the print server. Mobile printing solutions will be covered in a separate series of videos, so we won't be installing these in this video. Now that you've seen the overall plan, let's get started by installing the UniPrint bridge. Download the UniPrint Infinity installation package from our website and copy it to a location that is accessible to all 3 servers. For demonstration purposes, we've copied it to our desktop. Double-click the installation folder. Double-click UniPrint9.exe. The installation wizard will launch. Click Next to continue. Review the license agreement and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next to continue. To install UniPrint Infinity in a different location, click Change and then browse to the new installation location. We're going to install UniPrint Infinity in the default location, so click Next. Select UniPrint Bridge. To install Secure Print, click Show Secure Print. Select UniPrint Secure Print server, which also creates the UniPrint VPQ printer. To install the archive server and statistics server components, select Show Me All Available Installation Customization Options, and then click Next. Let's scroll down a bit. For the statistics server, expand Statistics Components. To enable the statistics server, select This feature will be installed on local hard drive. Scroll down a bit more. For the archive server, expand Document Archiving Components. To enable the archive server, select This feature will be installed on local hard drive, and then click Next. Click Install and the installer will copy files to the hard drive. Click Finish to complete the installation. Let's close this window. We need the IP address of this machine when we install the other UniPrint components, and we can get this information from the UniPrint Management Console. Click Start. Click the down arrow to go to the App screen. Scroll and look for Management Console. Right-click Management Console. You can click either Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar, depending on how you like to work. Since we're going to be accessing the Management Console quite a bit from the desktop, select Pin to Taskbar. Click the up arrow to return to Start. Click the Desktop tile. Double-click to open the UniPrint Management Console. Take note of this IP address. Now let's go to the print server. To install the UniPrint print server component, double-click the installation folder. Double-click UniPrint9.exe. The installation wizard will launch. Click Next to continue. Review the license agreement, and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement. And then click Next. To change the installation location, click Change. We'll install UniPrint in the default location, so click Next again. Select UniPrint Print Server. For Secure Print, select Install Secure Print Print Server Components. For Archiving and Statistics Components, select Show me all available installation customization options. And then click Next. Scroll down. To install the Statistics client, expand Statistics Components. To enable the Statistics client, click This feature will be installed on local hard drive. Scroll down some more. For the Archive client, expand Document Archiving Components. To enable the Archive client, click This feature will be installed on local hard drive. Click Next. Enter the IP address of the UniPrint bridge. And then click Next. Click Next again. Click Install. Click Finish to complete the installation of the print server component. Close this window, and then open the UniPrint Management Console to prepare for configuration. We'll cover configuration in a series of other videos. Click Start. Go to the Apps screen. Scroll to locate the Management Console. Right-click Management Console, and then click Pin to Taskbar. Return to the Start screen. Click the Desktop tile. Double-click to open the UniPrint Management Console. Now let's go to the Application Server. Double-click the Installation folder to install the UniPrint Application Server component. Double-click UniPrint 9.exe. Click Next to continue. Again, review the license agreement and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement. And then click Next. To install in a different location, click Change. We're installing in the default location, so click Next. Select UniPrint Application Server. For the Archive and Statistics clients, select Show me all available installation customization options. Click Next. Scroll down. For the Statistics client, expand Statistics Components. Enable the Statistics client. Scroll down a bit. Expand Document Archiving Components. Enable the Archive client. And then click Next. Enter the IP address of the UniPrint bridge. And then click Next. Click Install. Click Finish to complete the UniPrint Application Server installation. Let's close this window and open up the UniPrint Management Console to prepare for configuration. Click Start. Double-click to open the UniPrint Management Console. Thank you for watching this short video. Now that we've installed UniPrint Infinity, feel free to check out the configuration videos. For more information on UniPrint Infinity, visit our website at www.uniprint.net or contact our friendly support staff at support@uniprint.net.